Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTGM. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis before, but I can't remember the last time I did it. It's been a while, but want to get things updated here as the bears have taken a pretty big chunk out of it with the gap down, and then even after the gap down, things have just continued to pull back. So first I'm going to talk about some areas of resistance, and then we'll talk the levels of support, because supports I'm going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit more. But again, if the price turns around next week and starts to head back up, where would some of these levels of resistance be? The initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce would be right up here at this little peak, and that sits at $4.75. So the bounce that did occur kind of midday, which was a nice little bounce. As high as it got though was $4.75, and then the price has since rolled back over. So again, that would be the initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce. After that, the next key overall area of resistance, if the price could somehow push up through that $4.75 mark, would be the pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. So $4.75, and then that 200 period right now valued just shy of $5, but one step at a time. And really the first step right now is just, it's almost kind of pointless for me to be talking about levels of resistance, because top priority is just stabilizing, because right now there's a lot of downwards momentum, and the potential stabilization point, aka level of support, which has made itself known on 2 different occasions today, right here at $4.40. You can see not once but twice the bears did try to press down through there, but you got to give the bulls full credit. They were able to hold strong. So 440 going to be that initial area of support. In the event the price cannot hold above there, and this is what I meant about having to scrunch the chart up, after 440, next level of potential support, if the price breaks down below there, right down there around $4.25. So going into next week, like I said, that near-term level of resistance, $4.75, but more important, at least in my opinion, is going to be where some of these potential stabilization points. First one is holding up $4.40, but if that can't hold, and while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it would not be shocking at all to see the price go down to at least $4.25. So we'll see what happens with it and how it all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.